What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining for another episode. My name's Don Warner. Today we're talking about Avalanche-based Wonderland. So if you don't know what time Wonderland is, definitely look into that. I'm going to describe that a little bit in the bottom of this video. But we're looking at an investment that they've recently made on an app. So on Friday, Wonderland reported that it made a seed investment into Polygon's blockchain-based decentralized betting application, BetSwap. It's a cryptocurrency project governed by its community, has invested in a protocol for decentralized finance, which provides users with financial services such as lending, borrowing, trading through smart contracts instead of parties, right? Once the BetSwap tokens are released to Wonderland users, who are known in the crypto community as Frog Nation, users will begin to receive BetSwap tokens in exchange for their stakes. So users of the BetSwap app can bet on or be bookmakers for a variety of markets, including sports. With its BSGG token, holders can participate in the platform governance and receive discounted platform fees. So approximately 2 billion BSGG tokens were used to acquire 18.3 million worth of WMEMO, they call it, a freely traded cryptocurrency that represents the amount of time staked by users in Wonderland. In addition to funds, Wonderland also has a decentralized crypto community. Wonderland is offering a unique perspective for early projects, the eyes and opinions of a vibrant, vast, fast-growing crypto community, which is aligned to its treasury and the success of these early-stage developments by holding the MEMO token, developers said in the post. Wonderland is one of a number of decentralized autonomous organizations, they call that DAOs, that allow for their token holders to suggest improvements and govern decisions about growth on such platforms. The process differs from what happens with traditional corporations, where the board of directors and private investors make decisions rather than the users themselves. The time tokens from Wonderland are backed by a basket of assets backed by the Avalanche blockchain, giving them intrinsic value that cannot be defeated. In the platform, time is referred to as money, a means of value that is entirely decentralized and backed by the liquidity provided by its users, right? In exchange for tokens, Wonderland plans to invest in other DeFi protocols using the funds staked by its users. There is a narrative coming from Frog Nations, or the Frogs, if you want to call them, a bunch of common men and women who are utilizing the technology and crypto to capitalize on opportunities and provide value protocols. So rather than relying on seed funding or private investments, that mostly benefit venture funds and well-connected private investors. Abracadabra, an Ethereum-based stablecoin lending project developed by Daniel Sestagali, I hope I pronounced that right, and Olympus DAO, an Ethereum-based algorithmic currency protocol that inspired Wonderland, helped Wonderland and Daniel gain popularity in November. With the advent of the community-first approach, Daniel has become even more popular in these crypto circles. In December, sushi tokens rose up by 10% in value after Daniel proposal took charge of Ethereum's DeFi protocol, Sushi. So DAOs are able to get better deals than venture funds because of their communities, says Daniel. DAO can compete with VCs, getting even better deal flow thanks to the value proposition of a community of investors rather than a few suits. He tweeted on Friday. So definitely a major investment. I think major investment. Maybe in the eyes of Daniel, it's not a major investment, but because I think it's a lot of money, and I think that's awesome. I'm really excited to see how Wonderland go. Full disclosure, I do have a very, very small investment in Wonderland, but maybe I'll increase it after this. Wonderland has gone down significantly compared to when I invested in, but obviously with those rebases, that kind of hedges my bet a little bit, and it's kept me in the green. But yeah, definitely look into Wonderland if it interests you. But this is a really interesting bet, and I hope it all works out. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.